Are you tired of watching your food get ruined by poor steaming techniques? But here's what surprised me. I recently got my hands on the Oster double-tier food steamer, and it's been a total game-changer /n. I was skeptical at first, but after trying it out, I realized that most food steamers on the market have some serious flaws /n. Let me tell you, if you're considering buying a new steamer, make sure to watch this video until the end because I'm about to spill all the tea. The Oster double-tier food steamer is marketed as a versatile and efficient cooking tool that can help you prepare healthy meals in no time /n. But what really caught my attention was its unique double-tier design, which allows for simultaneous steaming of multiple dishes /n. Therefore, it's perfect for large families or individuals who love to cook in bulk. But don't just take their word for it. Let me dive deeper into the features and benefits of this product. What's really impressive about the Oster double-tier food steamer is its ability to evenly distribute heat across both tiers /n. This ensures that your food is cooked consistently, without any hot spots or undercooked areas. But have you ever wondered why some steamers can leave your food tasting bland and unappetizing /n? It's because they lack the right amount of moisture control. Therefore, the Oster double-tier food steamer comes equipped with a built-in water reservoir that allows for precise temperature control. Let me ask you this. Are you tired of watching your food get overcooked due to poor steaming techniques? But here's what I love about the Oster double-tier food steamer. It's incredibly easy to use and clean /n. You simply add water, place your food in the tiers, and voila! Your meal is ready in no time. The Oster double-tier food steamer also comes with a number of safety features that give you peace of mind while cooking /n. For example, it has an automatic shutoff function that kicks in when the water level gets too low or when your food is cooked to perfection. But let's get back to the price for a second. What I find really interesting about this product is its affordability /n. The Oster double-tier food steamer is priced very competitively, making it an excellent option for those on a budget. So, what do you think? Are you ready to take your cooking game to the next level with the Oster double-tier food steamer? But before I wrap up this review, let me leave you with one final thought /n. Have you ever tried using multiple steamers at once to cook large quantities of food? It's a total nightmare. Therefore, the Oster double-tier food steamer is the perfect solution for all your steaming needs. For the best price on Amazon, click the link in the description below.